Hello guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram music story no results found. Yes, this could be a problem that could get up into your Instagram story sites in which you can get and add music story, but that will not found the result on your section. Now the first thing what you can do, simply you can join up here on your phone and you can turn on your mobile data and then go turn off the Wi-Fi, because sometimes the mobile data is with better connection and quality section on that file than the Wi-Fi. Right after you do that, just go to your Play Store, go uninstall the application and then reinstall it again. And if you are on iPhone, you can just go to your settings, go select for the application, in this case is Instagram, go and offload the application. That will automatically install and reinstall the application, but will be also included in Play Store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.